Today we're going to be unboxing and showing you how to set up the Bose 700 soundbar. So let's get into it. So now that we've got everything out of the box, you can see you get a lot of things. Starting on the left, you get an interesting one. It's actually a microphone headband. Now, if you're new to the audio world, you won't know what this is for. So what it's for is, you place this on your head in your desired listening location for like the couch or a chair where you're going to sit to watch your movies. And then you plug the auxiliary side of this cable into your soundbar. Then the soundbar is going to run some tests and optimize the audio for your space. Next, you get an HDMI cord for the HDMI ARC connection from the soundbar to your TV. You get a power cord, you get an optical cable, you get some standard, very brief user's manuals that basically just tell you to plug it in and use the app, and then it will guide you. You get a nice little cleaning cloth for cleaning the top of the glass. You get some batteries, and you get a very nice remote control, which I haven't opened yet, so let's get that open. So this is actually a very nice remote control. The whole thing's rubberized and it feels really nice quality. It's got this little aluminium plate at the bottom with their logo on it, which is fancy. And I'm pretty sure it's even going to light up when we put some batteries in it. Okay, let's get all of this stuff out of the way so we can set it up. Okay, so I've just read the user's manual and I'm going directly from it. First two steps are apparently plug the power cord in. And then the second one is complete the setup on the app. So let's take a look at the app. Okay, so you're going to need to download the Bose Music app. Then you click the plus to add a new product, click speakers and soundbars. It'll then search for your soundbar. So it didn't find my soundbar, so now I'm going to click soundbar 700. So as you can see, it's now given us a prompt on how to connect the soundbar. So it says on the remote, press and hold the highlighted buttons until the bar glows amber. I'm now going to click the two buttons that it told me to click earlier. After I finished holding it, it popped up. Then click add. Wait for it to connect. Once it's connected, it's going to ask you which Wi-Fi network you want to use and then type in the password. I'll do that now. It's then going to connect your soundbar to the Wi-Fi network. And just like that, you've got a tick. It's then going to activate your product. Then you'll be taken to a screen that says setup complete. Get started. And just like that, your soundbar's set up in the app. Now to stream music over Wi-Fi, all you do is simply go to your favourite music streaming service, pick a song, and listen away. So that's basically it for setup. As you can see, that was ridiculously simple. The Bose Music app made it so easy, and if you had any issues, it sorted them out too. As I mentioned earlier, I thought the remote lit up depending on what function you were using, and that's correct. As you can see here, when you rotate the remote, it's showing the music symbol is lit up and the necessary controls for that. So volume up and down, play, pause, all the things that you would need at your fingertips. For actual inputs to your TV, you've got two options. You've got the optical cable or the HDMI ARC connection. So whichever one you choose, it's just plug and play, and that's it. But if you're wanting that superior sound, you should use the included microphone to tune your room. The sound quality of this soundbar did impress me. I know I say this a lot, that I'm always very impressed, but it's honestly true. Bose has proven to be an incredible brand. Like this soundbar goes stupidly loud, more than you would ever need. The sound from this could literally fill a theatre. Like, it's incredible. I was very impressed. Just want to thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully it helped you to set up your own Soundbar 700. But if you do have any more questions, call us on 9874 8233. And if you don't have your own soundbar but you would like to get one, head to our website. It's audiotrends.com.au. We've got a best price guarantee, so you'll always get the best deal. Hopefully you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a like down below, and I'll see you again very soon.